All cracked up? Let 1-800-ASPHALT show you a solution. Experienced, reliable, dependable. 1-800-ASPHALT. Or check us out online at 1-800-ASPHALT-Dayton.com. Right now, times are tough. The economy's challenging, so it's important where you spend your money. Call 1-800-ASPHALT today and put your trust in a quality company. 1-800-ASPHALT. Or check us out online, 1-800-ASPHALT-Dayton.com. 1-800-ASPHALT, Dayton's most reliable asphalt paving company. If you need a new asphalt driveway or parking lot, give 1-800-ASPHALT a call today. Or check us out online, 1-800-ASPHALT-Dayton.com. The Miami Valley was founded on determination and quality work ethic. It's important in today's economy that you hire a company that feels the same way. 1-800-ASPHALT, proven, reliable, dependable. 1-800-ASPHALT-Dayton.com. Stop fishing around with your driveway and call on the pros at 1-800-ASPHALT. Turn that fishing hole into a brand new asphalt driveway or parking lot. Experienced, reliable, dependable. 1-800-ASPHALT. Tired of potholes? Let 1-800-ASPHALT show you a solution. Experienced, reliable, dependable. 1-800-ASPHALT. Or check us out online, 1-800-ASPHALT-Dayton.com.